Today is Wednesday, June 9th, 2021. And here we are for another day trading video. Here is my current watch list right here in the group. You see the information I got put on here. And this is what I'm watching at. I'm really looking at AEMD. It hit a high of 1894. Then it pulled back. Let's go right here and look at it. Right here. Here we go. It popped way up here, 1854 rather, and then pulled back on some news. The news is right here this morning. Why is it skyrocketing? Blah, 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 blah. COVID, of course. Hey, first of all, I'm not getting anyone financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet who love to trade stocks and like to see my progress and backtrack and see what I may have did right or wrong in the attempt to further educate myself and learn from my errors. So I am not a financial advisor. Do not follow what I do. The videos I'm making right here is merely a tracking for myself to see how far I've come and what I can do and what I capitalize on. It's very important to find a strategy that works for you and then use that to your advantage. I mean, you can have like 2 or 3 strategies, and out of those 2 or 3, majority of the time, at least 2 of those strategies will work. So that's what I learned a long time ago, and that's how I trade my situation. So my current leading gappers, of course, is right here. I'm looking at my Webull right here, and even still, I'm going to pre-market. I still see the top ones on my watch list. So at this point, I'm going to look at the market cap on these stocks because I haven't looked at them really. I just looked at the movement. And of course, the leading gapper is AEMD, which currently right now on a pullback, right before the opening. I like my charts a little smaller, so for me it works. I want to see a bigger picture, right? You can see here, it popped up, 900% from $2 to $18.54, and it pulled back more than a half. Usually when the stock runs up, it pulls back more than a half. Usually it's gonna have a bad day. However, we'll see. It's still up 400%, 300%. Let's see the market cap. Rephrase that. The share float. Only has 12 million share float. This thing, and it's trading 33 million shares. This thing may skyrocket actually. This account's my small account. I think I have something like 400 something bucks to trade. So if I was to buy this stock here, you know, I like math, but I also like to think above and beyond. So say I have 400 bucks in here, right? And I wanted to trade, let's say, as many as I can. Let's say 11 bucks. So we know by now I can trade 36 shares with 400 bucks. So what I always do is I put a number above what I currently have it at. So in this case, I'll put 35 in there. But I'm not going to trade at 11 bucks. I'm going to get in before that. If I do, which I probably will, that share float is way too small. So I'm going to go over here and say AEMD All right, let me get some water right quick. It's 9:26 and 34 seconds. Market opens in 4 minutes. I'm going to watch it for a here's a curve right here in the RSI for a green to green move or red to green move. Okay, we have 1 minute 11 seconds. I'm almost done. Here come the green right here. Looking for this green candle. And as always, I hate trading while I'm on my daggone videos because you see my information. So hopefully it don't explode on me and I miss the buy-in point. But it looks like it's going to be a green candle at the market opening. So I'm going to go here right quick and say, watch the next green candle. About to say handle. I'm going to go over here. I'm watching. Checking my check. This got to be light green and past the previous burgundy. And this must go straight up in the air. If you look now, you'll see we should be curving up at least top the 1116 mark. Then we're looking at it right here about 1182. Then we look at the next step, 1453, then 1854. Let's watch. Let's go a little bigger, and there we go. It must pass that point before I buy it. There I am. It's gonna blow through this $11 mark. Then we got room to run. You know by now, dollar marks is the biggest resistance points on any stock, right? Now you know I only want 20 bucks, right? I'm up 20 bucks already. But I want a little more. I want to pass this 1187 mark. I could have hopped out real quick and been on my business, but it's going to get more. Watch this move. We blow through this $12 mark, we got room to run. Come on. Let me go to the top so I can see what's going on. I'm not going to go to the screen right here. I'm going to watch the $12 mark. Here we go. Here go the buyers. Here go the buyers. Here go the buyers. Let's go. We need to hold on volatility. $12 is the mark we need to get past. Profit taken and the pull back. Next pull up to 12 bucks. I'm going to hop out of it. Don't be greedy, right? That's the point right there. It could even look like I'm being greedy, but it pulled back way too much, right? If it goes back even half of what it did of 1854, we're looking at a $14 mark. Let's watch right here. We blow through $12 right quick. Then I hop out of it. Give me $1. Let's go. Big picture. We on the, see this line here? This 70 on this RSI, that's a resistance point. If it pops through that, it's going to pop through it here as well. Keep an eye on all these factors. Look at the level 2, right? Look at the right side. They piled up on the right side here. Up to $12, all the way up. And I could have hopped out right here, right? Remember? And could have made that quick, 20 bucks and been on my business. But I didn't do that. I trust the bigger picture. Sometimes greed get in the way. Sometimes your experience will show you as well that there's a bigger picture than what you're seeing at that current moment. So I'm not stressing right now at all. I bought in 1094, right? If you bought in it back here, the first green candle, and you hopped out of it, good job. You got your money. But I know it's up 367%. Leading gap on the day. It's trading 40 million shares on a 12 million share float. That's telling me this thing is still strong. That means everybody wants this stock, right? It's way over any other stock. Look at the 15-minute chart. You'll see something right quick. Check this out. 15-minute chart. See that burgundy? See those candles? Right? It's reversing to the positive side. We should have a bull candle come in here real quick and blow through all this. And then hopefully it'll hold on volatility on the way up. We make some money, right? Let me log into my large account on my cell phone. I'm gonna buy the same stock on my large account. I'm gonna pause for a second. I don't care about anything else right now other than AEMD. I'm hoping for a $12 move right here. That'd be clutch, right? Maybe hold on volatility. Waiting for this move. I hop out of it. Waiting for this move. We need a big old buyer to come in here and run this thing up. Almost. I'm gonna hover over here for a minute. I'm on my cell phone, but I'm also looking at the same time. So I have both of them I'm doing. All right, I'm in my large account at 1050 on AEMD. Hopefully for a $12 move right quick. Let's see what happens. If I had to get out before that, then so be it. All right, let me focus now. Large account is in motion. We need one big buyer. Here come the buyers. They piling in. Blow past 1094. There we go. Next stop is 12 bucks. The line is already drawn, as you see. We need a green to green move right here, though. Green to green. If green to green, we pass this point. Come on now. Profit's already taken already. Should be green to green. We got some short settlers popping in, trying to take it down. Here we go. If you look on the right here in the level 2, you see the buyers above the previous point, the current point. That's showing you more buyers coming in. They're trying to get their shorts out, taking their profits. There we go. They're closing their short positions. What they're doing. This thing was 1854 this morning. In order to get out of a short position, you have to buy, right? You sell to get in it. You buy to get out of it. They're closing their shorts. And when this happens, you're going to make this move right here. It's going to pop 400% for sure. Then you might have 500%, then so on and so forth. I'm just waiting for the next move up to this $12 mark. Diamond hands, right? Let's go. We need a green candle right here to pop this previous high, and we gone. Let's go. 12 bucks should be imminent. They short selling the hell out. They're getting their positions closed. It's fine. Here we go. Here come the buyers. Look on the right here. Keep an eye on that. You can see the buyers coming in to close out their positions. Meanwhile, AEHL is moving, so I'm going to go on my cell phone and tell you guys to watch this move on AEHL. While I'm watching here live, I'm not going to change the screen at all. All right, so it's in the group. Watch this AEHL move. And then I'm also going to put down watch $12 resistance. On AEMD. I'm doing it from my cell phone because I don't want to change my screen. All right. CLNE popping up too. So I'm looking at it over here. Let me go over here for a minute. I can always flip back to the chart. You know that. CLNE is moving as well. I'm still watching my position right here. Let me go on my cell phone and try to hop some of this CLNE. Already traded my AHL out 725. I'm trying to get some CLNE right now on my large account. Come on, man. What the heck's going on? 1, 2, 3. CLNE. Looking for a 14-15 move on CLNE. Wait, what's the previous high? Hold on. Oh, 15 previous high. Or 14.50. So, yeah, I'm looking for 14.20 on CLNE for my sell point. Meanwhile, AEMD is failing, which is weird. Should have been some short sellers taking their profits. Come on, man, quit alerting me stuff. I don't care about that stuff. I showed YCLNE for new high of day. The new high of day is for. I'm sorry. That's the wrong wording. New high, not new high of day. New high meaning next candle gonna be taller than the previous one. High of day will be way back here at 1635. I'm still watching my position here. It's doing what it shouldn't have did. But notice though, it's racing the EMA, right? The whole day. Yesterday, the same thing happened with the stock I traded. What was it yesterday? I traded. I lost the 18 bucks on. Did the same thing though, and then once I got done trading it, about an hour or two later, it popped up way past my initial sell point. So everything I've looked at, it did. But after I sold it, right? Let me add my position right quick. I'm gonna hold off on the AEMD. It must pop 12 bucks. There's no doubt about it. So I'm just hold off for a second. Sometimes you're gonna have movement like this. It's gonna pull back, try to shake the trees, right? Get you out of it. And if you trust what you're doing is correct, you'll know it's gonna move the way you're supposed to move it. Right now it's way oversold. It went up way too far, and it became way oversold. Trying to type and look at my cell phone at the same time. It's not good. I wanted the Hawk volatility to move up. That's my goal right here. KBSF. It's KSBF. KBSF. Root. PULM. Wish. I told you guys what to do. Watch the first candle out the gate. I watched it. I got in. I held a little too long, and it pulled back on me. You can't be greedy sometimes, right? Sometimes you got to take what it gives you. You can always trade it twice, right? If you got money in your account. In this account, I like trading only one time a day. So I put the whole money I had available almost. I hopped in it. It went up. It pulled back, right? I should have got out right here somewhere, like I said. And drew the line earlier showing you I should have got out at. I didn't do that. I got a little greedy, and I held a little too long. Now it's pulling back on me. This video will post. Win, lose, or draw, this video will still post. I'm not going to be that guy who only make videos when I'm winning. That's not me. I make videos when I lose or win. I rarely lose. But when I do, I still post it. SPRT, AEMD, AEHL. I'm like looking at all kind of stuff at the same time. I'm watching the television, I'm typing, I'm looking at my cell phone, making trades on my larger account, I'm doing everything. Trying to commentary this video. BKD. Where we at? LYRA. I don't trade stocks with more than 4 symbols. That is my thing. So I never gonna put them on watch list. You want to see stocks on my watch list? More than 4 symbols. That ain't what I do. It doesn't. For most of these companies, 4 symbols or more, 4 symbols rather, are SPACs or they bankruptcy stocks. If it's a Q at the end of it, I'm definitely gonna trade it. Some are offsets even of a company. You have like a GoEd, right? I saw one. You have a GoEd, then you have like a GoVW, a GoEV. It's like all the same company. See, BBKCF stocks on the OTC market. Look at CLNE. Look at this pullback right here. Said look for new high day and then pull back. What we got next? Let me see. What gain? What G? Look at this right here. GEIN, right? It has 1,000 shares being traded, yet it's up 49%. Be careful of that kind of stuff. Look at this. It's popped up out of nowhere, right? Be careful of this kind of stuff. GEO, 14 million shares traded on a 22 million share float. Oh, look at that move right there. It's gonna pop a new high day. Bottom right, GEO. It's gonna hit a new high of day. I don't know what happened to AEMD. It just fell. It just popped up, then it failed. That's crazy. How does the stock go up 900% and then fail like this? That's crazy. I'm gonna hold off for a little while. Watch this move on AEHL, top right. Look for a red to green move. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here on AEHL. Where we at? Watch for a red to green move on AEHL. Look right here with a red to green move. Right now, RSI consolidation period. The MACD is the pullback. The 15-minute is it's a fake out right here. See that fake out? I hopped in on a fake out. Could have hopped out of it for a little profit of 30 bucks almost, but I held it anyway. Should have hopped out of it, but I'm content on this $12. Let me get rid of these lines right quick. I'm gonna draw a $12 mark. I'm sure that's the point I'm looking for. $12 is right here. Not that one. Hold on, I'm trying to look at two things. I'm put 1201. If I can get 12 exactly. See that line right here? It's X touching this red candle. That's a distance point right there. If it pops 12 bucks, we gone. We're gonna make a new high of day. That's why I'm holding it so long, because I know it's gonna pop that $12 mark and make a new high of day. CLNE. Watch the red to green move. You're gonna have a new high of day. 1394. So where the buyers at? Let's go level 2, shall we? I'm gonna keep an eye on this right here. Meanwhile, look over here on Geo. I said the new high of day, right? Let's watch. High of day is 915, right? Let's make it larger so you can see it better. 915 is right. And there it is. It blew right through it. 929, new high of day on Geo, right? Geo bullish. But I did say in the video, new high of day. I didn't put it on here. But I said it's bullish. And there it is. And I got in actually at 870 area, something like that. My sell order is in at 925, so I'm sure it's sold. I ain't got to log in. I know it's sold. It's going to keep moving. Come on, my small account, however, it doesn't want to act right. I could have got out, like I said, right here, but I really trust this $12 mark. I'm so comfortable with this $12 mark, I know it's going to blow past it. Let's watch this move. Here come the buyers, though. I'm going to leave this right here on the screen. So level 2 can be seen this way, or it can be seen on the side of the screen as well. Either way, it's a level 2. I think I'm down like 30 bucks or something like that. Yeah. Alright, now it's 9:49. The video will end at 10 o'clock. And as always, you know, win, lose, or draw, I will post my video in the group. Look at this right here. 9.99 high of day. Here go the red to green move. AEHL that I was talking about a little while ago in the group. I said right here, watch red to green move on AEHL. There go the red right there. This should be green. Or if not, next one. Next one. As soon as you see a green candle past the previous red, that's your red to green move. Look at 10, 14, 10, 15 still going. I may buy some more of that. I'm going to buy some more of Geo before it goes parabolic on me and I miss out. You know what's funny? I think Geo just halted on volatility. I'm pretty sure this did. It sure did. And I got in as well. Lucky me. So I got in at barely got in at the halt. 10:23. I barely got in it. Oh my goodness. Good stuff. I got in though. That's the purpose. So I'm looking for a $11. What's the gap? Oh, the gap is $11. So let me come off this. It's depressing me. I'm gonna hold it for a minute though. I'm not gonna sell it for sure. It's not gonna happen. All right, so here we are, Geo, right? 25 million share float. Currently halted on volatility. Looks like it had $11 open price, 10.25 bid. So usually what I do is I cut it in between. So here it is, 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles in a row. On the MACD, you see the second bullish green candle, and RSI curve straight up. However, we in the incline. It's starting to pull back a little bit before the halt. So be careful right here when it come out the halt. It may not open back up 11 bucks. It may come out, pull back, and then bounce up. But my sell point is going to be in between. So I'm going to say 1080 is my sell point. And watch it for a minute and see what happens right here. Let me uncheck my, I don't want to make no errors from buying nothing by mistake. I'm still looking at my AEMD that's all over the place. 59 million shares traded, 12 million share flow. Has news, was up 900%, and now it's just hovering around the 300% mark. I personally think it's going to pop 500% again in the next 30 minutes or so. It's twice. I know I saw it, tipped it in twice. I'm looking at too many things at once, type the same thing in more than one time. I remember adding GOL earlier, or XRAX and add that earlier maybe. Let's see. CIOP, I remember adding that. CXW, WTER, RMED is back. PDSB, PULM, new INO. So hard at 1043. It should open at 1048. Wait, what time is that hard? Check the hard time. Check the hard time. It halted at 9:51 and 5 seconds. Should open back up at 9:56 and 5 seconds. So right now we at 9:55 and 8 seconds. We have a little less than a minute left before it opens back up. Let's see what happens right here. Video ends in 5 minutes. Look right here at gain. GEIN still sitting there. See, no volume though. That's dangerous. Look at works. Tiny float. I'm looking at works on my cell phone while I'm watching GO. I see you fellas in the group. I'll get back to you at 10 o'clock when I get done making this video. There we go. There go the movement. See, out the halt, it popped 1026 and pulled back. Watch the movement. It's profit taking. I said my order 1080, right? Let's see what happens. There we go. I see my stock coming back too. I'm gonna click over in a second. Ready? Let's go. AEMD. Check my auto send back. I'm looking for 12 bucks. Trust the process. Trust what you're looking at is what you see for real. Is that move right here looking for? Need a long bull candle to pop up to this height. That blow up past 12 bucks. I really think it's going to pop 12 bucks. I'm going to watch it for a minute. We have 2 minutes left in this candle. If we get a green and green move, we passing 12 bucks. I bought 1094, so I'm barely down right now. but I'm trusting $12 process. Where the buyers at? Look at the sellers. They all piled up here. Look at this. They sold. They up here up to shoot 12.50, right? 13. I'm scrolling on the right trying to see what's up here. Yeah, they up on the axis on sale. So they either A, bought too late, or B, did what I do usually, buy it, put my sell order in, on to the next stop. Stock, not stop. 1 minute, 20 seconds, 40 seconds left in this stock. This 5-minute candle right here. 10.50, let's go. 10.60. We're gonna break 12 bucks, man. It's imminent. Look at the EMA, this green line I got here. It is riding EMA the whole time, right? Once it pops it, it's gonna extend it. We need one of these moves right here though. Look at this. We need this move here. See how it did it? It was riding it, then it took off. We're gonna hit 500%. I'm almost guaranteeing 500%. It may happen next 2 minutes of my video, 1 minute now, or it may happen afterward. The candle lasts another 55 seconds. This candle, it's green and green move. We blow past 12 bucks for sure. We pop this point here. We A1. There we go. I'm almost green, and here we are. I'm green again. And then it pulled back. We got 30 seconds left in this candle. And here comes the $12 mark. Let's watch. Trust the process, right? Trust the process. If everything looks the way you think it should look, it should do what you think it should do. 99% of the time, it's going to do what you think it's going to do. If you do everything right. 18 seconds. I'm not selling it yet to the next candle at least. Here come the buyers. 10 seconds. Let's go. There we go. We need to be green. There we go. We need a long green bar right here and a curve straight up and a long green candle right there. All point towards 12 bucks. There we go. We almost there. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Here come the bars. There they go. There they go. There we go. I hopped out at 11.80. I should have waited a little while longer for 12 bucks. I didn't, and there we go. There go 12 bucks. I called it. It took longer than I thought it was going to take. But I called it. Where AEMD at? 12. Sometimes you sell market, you'll miss that exact point. I sold it market, so I didn't get that exact point I wanted at, which is 12 bucks. Because I'm on video, and again, I don't want to be having information all on daggone video. So I missed my exact point I wanted to be at. But I said 12 bucks. If you look back here, you'll see I put it over here. I didn't put it up here, but I said it in my video. So you hear me all say it in the video. I called 12 bucks. I knew it was going to hit that point. It was imminent. I drew a line several times. Tried to put a sell order in the market at 12 bucks, but I pushed the button a little too fast, and I wanted my 25 bucks or more. And I saw it get to 30. I just sold it. I could have held another, 70 cents. That's a big difference. It's all good. Usually I put a limit order in for sale, but again, on video, I won't do that because all my information in my account is exploited, and I don't want the information to be on the internet forever. With that being said, one trade away, stay green, and don't be greedy. Here we are. I bought 35 shares only, almost 400 bucks at 10.94, and I sold same 35 shares for a almost 90 cents, so 86 cent profit. So I made 8.5%. Not bad, right? One trade away. Stay green.